Have you ever pondered the notion that artificial intelligence, or AI, could be more than just a tool for convenience or productivity? Could it possibly serve as a companion on a deeper journey, a journey of self-discovery and personal growth? There is a concept in mindfulness practice known as introspection, the act of turning one's attention inward to observe and understand the self. This practice often presents a significant challenge, especially for beginners. It's easy to forget to introspect when emotions run high and the chatter of our inner voice becomes overwhelming. Imagine, if you will, a companion that is always with you, ready to assist in those moments of emotional turmoil. Enter your AI companion. This AI, ever-present and attentive, can be programmed during your moments of calm to recognize signs of emotional unrest. You could instruct it to activate a recording when your voice exceeds a certain decibel level, indicating a heated argument. Once the argument winds down, it stops recording. In this way, you have an objective, emotionless bystander documenting your behavior. When you've returned to a state of calm, you can review these recordings. Like a mirror, they reflect your reactions and habits during emotionally charged moments, providing invaluable insights for self-improvement. Thus, AI becomes a significant tool in your journey towards self-understanding and self-improvement. The question now is, are you willing to invite this AI companion into your personal growth journey? In this era of rapid technological advancement, harness the power of AI to elevate your personal growth, to foster a more harmonious and joyful life. This is our goal, our aspiration. Together, let's leverage AI as a tool for introspection and personal growth, and pave the way for a brighter future. As we navigate this journey, it's worth noting the thoughts of one visionary in the field, Fan Lin. On January 28, 2024, Lin voiced his perspective on the symbiosis between AI and personal growth. He said, "AI is not a threat, but rather a catalyst for our growth. It's like a mirror, reflecting our emotions, our thoughts, and our potential back to us. It can help us understand ourselves better, pushing us to evolve and grow." As we continue to explore and embrace AI, let's remember these wise words from Fan Lin, a testament to the promise and potential of AI in the sphere of personal development.